And oh no. Here we go. Okay, those trees make me think we're in the south, the pine trees specifically. Could be very wrong with that. Look at that little bird there. What kind of bird is that? I feel like you just see those down south. I'll go to Mississippi, see if I can find a random lake, and then click there. So yeah. Okay. I don't think I got any points. We were on Midway Atoll. Oh no.
Oh no. Now I know why people are saying it's hard. And it's such a. Oh my god, Gen 2. I can't tell if this is north or not. This is actually a really cool location though. Like, look at these. Look at these dudes. I'm gonna go Minnesota. It's probably wrong. Let's just try it though. Up here somewhere. Oh my god. Oh my god. It was Midway. That's why there are birds. That's actually so cool.
Oh man. Is this out west or east? My first thought is like Maine somewhere. So I'm gonna go like Lake in Maine. Oh no! The Midway Atoll.
Are you kidding me? Okay, I refreshed the page and it worked, thank God. What is this? What is this? Are we really starting with this? God, at first I thought it might be Midway. That looks like one of the Midway birds. I mean, no, it doesn't have trees. What am I talking about? I am so lost. South Carolina. I hate everything. I hate everything. Are you kidding me? It actually was. That was my first instinct because I saw the birds. Since when does Midway have trees?
Well, I have no idea where I am. I see a bird. Is this that, like, Midway or whatever? Freaking... Where is that? Here? Is it here? I don't know. Watch this not even be that. Watch this be like... Oh, crap. No, this is gonna be so bad. Okay. Whew. Whew. Thank you, birds.